What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Happy Thursday. It is the last Thursday of the year. 2021 will be history. All right. I hope you guys are ready for tomorrow. Don't forget, tomorrow the markets are still open, 9:30 to 4 o'clock. All right. So be sure to hop on in and manage your risk, manage your ongoing positions. Okay. So interesting day that we had. Before we dive into this analysis, give me a thumbs up on this video. Subscribe to the channel. It'll help the channel grow. And also, don't forget to hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload the videos. Interesting close. The entire morning, I mean, the Dow made a new high. The Qs sold off in the morning, and then we recovered a bit, and then the SPY also made a new high. We ended up closing red on all three ETFs. Now, does that mean that this bigger corrective move is at play now? It's becoming a bit tricky. I'm favoring at the moment that if you recall from my videos yesterday and the ones before that, we would have already reached the top here in the wave one, right? And we were now looking for this three-wave pullback into the wave two to a reasonable fib ratio of retracement levels that will retrace this entire correction. I'm sorry, this entire impulsive structure. But somehow we're still hovering up on the highs, right? Or within the highs. What does that tell me? Let me turn on the labels here and let's just quickly review our bullish count here. Now, from our lows on December the 20th, we got our wave one, wave two, which was 38.2% retracement support of this wave one. We then rallied all the way up to the 2618 at 478.93, which is an appropriate level for a fib extension of the wave three, and then spot on hit it, right? And then we just started consolidating around it. Now, the question is, did we truncate on the fifth wave here, or is the fifth wave still ongoing and we just completed the wave four? That may be the case at this point, right? Because if we're looking at this zone here, let's just zoom in here real quick. Okay, wave four will be A, B, and down in C. If we take our fib extensions, right, we will get equality from wave A to wave C. However, I don't know. I think that maybe this is already the wave four here. Wave five had completed here, truncated. Okay, although we made a new high above the wave three, so it's not technically a truncation. We may still see further upside coming into tomorrow. All right. If by any chance we start selling off and start going down towards the zone that I've been highlighting for a while now in these videos, then the likelihood of this being the case is that this is the wave count. Okay. And we just hit an A, B, and then a larger C wave corrective move. Or maybe we're still within the wave A corrective structure. We get the bounce in the B wave, and then we sell off. The big takeaway here is that we have to be a bit more patient, okay? A lot of this or all this move will get resolved either by tomorrow. We'll know if we continue on higher or we will continue with the downside moves, all right? Either way, tomorrow and early next week is going to let us know. However, I just want to get one thing out of the way, is that if we take a look at our alternate count, this is still at play, okay? Because as you can see, we haven't managed to break above the 1272 of both degrees, right? The orange degree wave count and the smaller degree here. Now, why I am not favoring this count, because this count is suggesting that we will see for the downside breaking the lows here from November the 30th, December the 1st, December the 20th, and so on in 5 waves of wave C of wave 2. Now, I'm not favoring this count because we would have been already well on our way down, okay? You would have felt the impulsiveness of this move, all right? Because that would have been wave one. However, we're still hovering on the highs. We're still trying to manage to hold on tight or just slowly correcting the moves here. So just be a little bit more patient. If, again, let me just backtrack. If we start seeing upside tomorrow, then 484 will be our new all-time high, potentially, right? Because this will be an extension of wave one to the wave four, if the wave four is here, and you get the wave five being equal to the wave one. All right, guys, so be on the lookout for 484. Otherwise, if this is the wave count, then wave one, it's anchored here, we complete it, and we're well on our way for the wave two, okay? Either way, this represents a good viable opportunity to the upside. Over to the Qs. Same deal. Actually, this is the bearish count. Let's take a look at the bullish count for the Qs. Same thing as the Nasdaq. Sorry, as the SPY. We are still hovering over maybe this is wave 1 ongoing, maybe wave 2 we can still see is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Again, wave 1 might have been here, A, B, down, C. It's a little bit more clear here. All right, if we take an extension, we see that the 100%, even the 1618 comes in confluence with this zone. So again, that's why I am most likely favoring this scenario, right? Because the Qs are telling us otherwise. Okay, the Qs are telling us that this is A, that's B, and then we get our final C wave, and then we get the support zone, and then we know, off we go into next week. All right, guys. So look out for 398, 395, or this level here. Just copy that down, or a break above its previous high from this zone. Okay, because then that would be the small degree wave 4. Okay, just like in the SPY, this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. But for now, we're not going to count that. We're going to leave it like this. All right. Good. Let's move on over to the SMH. SMH on this chart. I got to fix this, guys. So I do apologize for that. Damn. Here you go. Better. SMH gave it back today. A little bit more than what we wanted it. That's hurting our position currently on NVIDIA, but it's not invalidated yet. So for now, we're still operating under the fact that this is wave 1, wave 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's change this here. Let's turn on our minute degree color code like we normally have. And here we go. So wave 2 is likely to have completed or on its way to be completed. So A, B, and down in C. So, just put it into perspective, right? This is why if we look at every other index on the market, like such as the Q's SMH, and so on, we see that they are making their larger wave 2 corrections. Okay, and while the SPY is still hovering on its highs, so it is likely that this is the case rather than seeing new highs. Either way, again, we're prepared, so we'll be ready for whatever the market gives us. So 310, 306 respectively will be our support zones. We may consider the possibility that there is some areas here of high interest for the market makers, or for market participants rather, and then off we go. IWM also pulling back ever so slightly, and then small caps are looking pretty good, right? This looks like this is the B wave. Let me update this for us. The B wave, the A wave, and then down in C. So this may find support down here towards the 23.6, and then the wave 2 has completed, and then off we go. Now you clearly see this, right? There's no impulsive structure that is telling us that this was the high, and then we're gonna see a bigger pullback here. This is clearly an impulsive move, and we're just correcting it. All right, we're just like, that's what the markets do. That's what Elliott wave is all about. So, right, we see the big move, the correction, and then the next leg up. Okay, so this could be 1, this could be 2, 3, or this could be 3, 4, and then 5, whatever the case may be. So that's what this is exactly displaying. So 5 waves up, 3 waves sideways, or 3 waves down, and then another 5 waves up. So we have our 5, 3, 5. All right, guys. So I think I may not upload a video tomorrow, just given the fact that it is New Year's Eve. But if I do upload a video, it will be early in the afternoon. Otherwise, hopefully you guys stayed long enough to listen to this message. And my message to you all is, I want to thank everybody from the bottom of my heart. Every single subscriber that I have, whether big or small, it doesn't matter the size of the channel at the moment. But what matters is that you guys are giving me your attention, and I do genuinely appreciate that. I know that trading is very difficult. I've been through it. I've blown up accounts. I mean, one day I will share with you guys my story. But for now, just keep on going, man. Just keep on going. Do your thing. Study. If you have goals, if you have dreams, this is, one thing the markets can do is that it helps you achieve them. Okay, have a long-term portfolio, whether it's in stocks, is in crypto. I mean, hopefully, you guys have that, and just build it up, because that is essentially what's going to help you for your long run. Okay, we can trade short-term options, we can trade day trade, whatever, but the most important thing is to have a long-term portfolio, guys. Cannot stress that enough. Also, I'm thankful because I started this channel almost a year ago today, even though it's not growing as fast as I wanted it, but I am very, very proud of it. And I'm very proud of the work that it's been put into and what we're doing over at the Trending Waves Discord group. So with that being said, thank you so much. Thank you for everybody. Thank you for all the members of the Discord group. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for all the feedback. All I can say is that we're gonna keep on growing, and I hope that we all do it together. All right. I know we'll see new faces down the road, but for those who are gonna stick around with me, just trust me that that effort will not ever go unnoticed. So thank you so much again. Happy New Year. Enjoy with your family. Enjoy with your loved ones. And I'll see you guys. If I don't see you guys tomorrow, I'll see you guys bright and early on Monday. Peace out, guys.